agencies. And in this final episode, I'll show you how to make your tech doc shine, so it looks credible at a glance and earns instant trust. So we'll start with formatting and layout. Ask yourself, does this follow the style guide I was given? If you're not sure, ask, don't guess. If your company doesn't have a style guide, then check out my guide to style guides, link in the description below. Fonts, colors, diagrams, headings, even that rogue bullet point from your last Rage formatting session, fix it. Your goal here is to make the document easy to navigate and understand. Design supports clarity. Micro edit everything. Now comes the micro edit. This is where you zoom in, way in. We're talking punctuation, grammar, page numbers, captions, citations, consistency in spelling, hyphens, capitalization. This is slow work, but it's the difference between credible and careless. Yep, get more feedback. Yes, again. You're not asking about structure anymore. Now's the time to find that colleague who sorts their spice rack by country of origin. Give them your doc. Find that one detail-obsessed colleague. Think, final proofread, a second pair of eyes will catch what you missed. Now, when you get your doc back, zoom out. Write out. View it as a whole, literally. In Word, I used to zoom out to see as many pages at once as I could. And scan and compare. You're looking for weird formatting, inconsistent spacing, or walls of text that need breaking up. Okay, we're on to the final polish now. And the last step. Revise and polish. This may be quick or may be painful, but every little tweak now pays off. Your document should be crisp and professional. It's going to have your name on it. When you are sure that your document is perfect, then send it, share it, or publish. Editing isn't glamorous, but it's what makes people trust your document. So don't skip it. Zoom in, zoom out, clean up, and get feedback. And take pride in a document that looks as sharp as the thinking behind it. Start editing your documents this way, and your ideas will be judged on merit, not buried under sloppy formatting or avoidable distractions. Your docs become team legends. You gain back 3 hidden hours a week, and your work speaks clearly for itself. And when your work speaks clearly, so do you, and people start to take notice. If you want to nail every step leading up to this editing phase, grab my free technical writing checklist. It covers everything you need to plan, structure, and write clear, complete first drafts. So by the time you're editing, you're not fixing chaos. You're polishing great work. You'll find the link in the description below. So to sum it up. 1. Editing isn't optional, it's what builds trust. 2. Layout and style come first. 3. Micro edit for professionalism. 4. Get a final round of feedback. 5. Zoom out to see the big picture. And 6. Do the final polish. Your doc is your reputation on the page. Make sure it shows up dressed for the job you want. If you found this helpful, hit the like and subscribe for more practical tips on technical writing. Bye for now.